In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ClickFunnels support. Whether you're encountering a technical challenge or need help with billing, knowing how to reach out to support efficiently can save you precious time and ensure you're back on track with your business endeavors as swiftly as possible. Let's walk through these steps together so you can get the assistance you need with confidence. First, when you're navigating through the ClickFunnels dashboard, head over to the Help icon. You might notice it right at the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon usually appears as a question mark or perhaps a chat bubble, standing by as your gateway to the support world. It's designed to be easily accessible, so whenever you find yourself needing guidance, you'll know exactly where to go. So, go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the Help icon, you'll be presented with different options and prompts. Here, look for the option that says Get in Touch. This is essentially your express pathway to starting a direct conversation with the support team. By selecting this, you're indicating that you want to communicate with a real person who can dive into your specific situation. After you've selected Get in Touch, you'll be given a choice to engage in a live chat. Then, specify that you want to connect with the billing support team. This is crucial if your query or issue is related to any billing concerns, like charges you weren't expecting or questions about your subscription. By selecting the appropriate team, you're ensuring that your issue is directed to specialists who can give you the most accurate and efficient support. Now, you're almost set up to chat with a support agent. The next important step is providing your details and describing your issue clearly. Make sure that you have any relevant account or billing information handy, as well as a clear and concise description of what you're experiencing. This preparation can substantially speed up the process and help the support team resolve your issue more effectively. Be thorough yet succinct, aiming to include all necessary details without overwhelming the person on the other side with too much information. If you follow these steps, you'll hopefully find that contacting ClickFunnels support is a smoother, more convenient experience. Remember that support teams are there to help you succeed, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever required. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll feel more confident reaching out for support in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.